Okay, we've hit the point where I don't want to meal prep. But we're going to, because I need breakfast in the morning. I've been so hungry in the mornings. I have to eat. I have to eat in the mornings. So that's where we're at. We're gonna do something super quick and easy. I need to preheat the oven. We're gonna get out the blender. Which I'm kind of like, do we need the blender? Yeah, we do, because we're gonna add cottage cheese to our eggs. And the idea is to do like a copycat Starbucks. Y'all know the like egg bites, they have that, I don't know, they're like different. What's the word I'm looking for? Like sous vide or something? I don't know. We're kind of doing that, but just eggs, cottage cheese in a muffin pan with a little water bath on top of a cookie sheet. Pretty simple stuff. I'm gonna add some baby spinach and some chunks of cheese stick. I was going to add some chicken sausage, but truly, I don't wanna cook it because it's raw right now and I don't have it in me. I wanna go take a bath. So let's run through this meal prep. Super quick, we're making egg cups and dense bean salad and super high protein pudding. So yummy, it's not gonna take us very long. Let's go ahead and jump into it. We also have a video sponsor today, which is exciting. We're using a really cool new kitchen gadget. I have seen these things on TikTok and I am super excited to have one. I've been using a little bit here and there and it's so cool. So it actually has a technology where it lets out a continuous spray, exactly 1 gram every single time, which is so cool. I really like this in just controlling oil as somebody who tracks calories pretty regularly. It's super hard to track olive oils and things like that, especially when you're just trying to like dump it from a regular bottle. I always get overly heavy-handed. It ends up being way too much. So something like this where you can really control the amount you're using and just need like a little bit of a light spritz is perfect. I'm gonna use it today when we're making the dense bean salad just to control the oil like in the sauce that we're making. And I'm also gonna use it for my muffin tin in the egg cups just to make sure they don't stick and they come out super simple. So lots of versatility here. We also just got a Blackstone, which is exciting. I'm excited to do some meal prep videos with Morgan out on the grill. But whenever I showed him this, he was like, oh, that's gonna be so perfect. Just give a little spritz. Of course, you can like squirt it and do the little spatula method, but why do that when you can just spritz it on and then your whole Blackstone is covered in oil? So love that it has a continuous spray. Love that it has a wide spray so you can really get everywhere. And I'll show you guys exactly how it works. Okay, first I'm just gonna go in with 8 eggs. I'm gonna make 8 egg cups. That's just how many I need for the rest of the week. Ran out of eggs. I love these bird of the month if y'all buy the Vital Farms eggs. Remarkable Rhea adventures through the tall grasses, letting her curiosity lead the way. How freaking sweet. Love it. And 8. I'm gonna do half a cup of cottage cheese. This is the Good Culture, but whatever kind you like is perfect. Of course, my go-to ingredient, just the Cavender's seasoning, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna do 2 of these Gouda sticks and then 2 sharp cheddar. So there's 5 grams of protein each, and I'm making 8 cups. So each 2 cups will have an extra 5 grams of protein, plus 6 protein for the eggs. So 12, then plus 5, we're looking at 17 grams of protein, and not even including the cottage cheese. So 17 to probably 20 grams of protein for 2 of these egg cups. That's gonna be perfect paired with my protein coffee. Also, do not judge the manicure that's going on right now. Actually just took all the nail polish off today that I had from my wedding. So we're in need of an appointment or a home manicure definitely soon, but that's what we got going on today. All right, going in with our coolest little spritzer. I'm trying to decide which way I like best. I think just straight down gets it really well. Oops. So cool. Love that. So we're gonna start by cooking up some chicken. You can totally bake your own chicken, but I'm just not in the mood. I'm meal prepping after work today, so we need something quick and easy. Decided to get these from the local grocery store. And we're gonna go in with our Olivia. We're gonna go in with our continuous spray bottle. I think this is seriously so, look at that spritz. So cool. So just a little bit here and there. Love that it coats the whole pan. And we're just gonna dump the chicken in. And I'm gonna let this brown up and get warm. It's frozen right now, so we're gonna let this go for a little while we get the rest of the bean salad ready. Okay, I don't have the recipe because I can't figure out this person's Substack. She says she puts her recipes there and then it's like a subscription. I don't freaking know. So we're just gonna make this up. She uses the leftover enchilada, whatever. I'm just gonna do the whole thing. We'll see. I mean, it can't be too saucy, right? So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do a squeeze of lime. I know she uses a little bit of mustard. She said that it helps keep it together and from separating. So we're gonna do a little bit of mustard. I have no clue how much. And let's see if we're missing any ingredients. I know she adds oil right into her sauce, but instead of that, I'm just gonna go in with our cool little spritz bottle. Get everything covered. Just a couple squirts. And then I got some jalapenos out. I'm gonna taste it and see if that enchilada sauce, because I think it's a little bit spicy. I'm gonna see how it goes, and if I need to not add jalapenos, then I will not do so. I am gonna go in with some jalapenos. Just for a little acidity. This dense bean salad trend might just be a go-to for me every single week, which I know that lady makes one, or whoever the girl is on TikTok. I'll link her down below. I know she makes one, and now I see why. It's so good. Let me get a jalapeno in there. Jalapeno, perfect addition. This is fantastic. I'm actually having it for dinner tonight. I'm so excited. Oops. I got these dips chips, which is gonna be so perfect. Okay, final meal prep recipe, and this one really only lasts me about 2 nights if Morgan's home, maybe 1 night if Morgan's home, and like 3 nights by myself. So you're just gonna need 1 protein shake, whatever protein shake you like. I like this one because there's 42 grams protein. I like to eat about 1/4 of it, which gives me at least 10 grams protein. Love that for dessert, like unheard of. And then just a whole box of, I like the then just a whole box of 0 sugar instant pudding. Make sure it's the instant pudding. I'm using chocolate fudge. I like chocolate and chocolate. If you use chocolate fudge with the vanilla, that's also delicious and super chocolatey. I haven't tried that many other combos. I did vanilla with cheesecake pudding, was not a fan. Didn't like that one at all, so I'm staying with the chocolate. It is so rich, so delicious. And this comes together in just a couple of minutes. I like to make it right before dinner if we need it for that night, or like right when we're cooking dinner. I'll throw it in the fridge, and by the time we're ready to eat, it is all set up and delicious. But really, you can make it also right as you can eat it right as you make it. There's no real reason to wait. If you use the 42 grams of protein, this is gonna come out very like mousse-like, very thick and airy and delicious. If you use the 26 grams core power, I've done that too, it comes out more like an actual pudding, so a little bit thinner. Both ways are absolutely delicious. And I love that you just use the whole thing, so there's no waste. Oops, kind of got that everywhere. And then you just whisk. For about a minute or 2, it'll start to thicken up, and once it thickens, throw a lid on it, throw it in the fridge, or eat it, either way, whatever you wanna do. But this is so easy, and I've probably made this like 6 times in the last week and a half. We are obsessed. It's so quick and easy. If you don't have a Ninja to do like the creamies that everyone's doing, this is definitely where it's at.